Hi all, hope you are doing well. My name is Nishant and I am working with Magnum Sadoshima Ispat Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you the features of one of our chairs called Air Grace. This is a Kokoyo product. It's a Japanese firm, one of the oldest in the world. I'll go one by one. First I'll start with the height adjustable. Now in this chair, if you want to do height adjustable, there is a lever. This is the lever. All you need to do is, from this lever, you just need to press the lever and the chair is going to go down, and again press the lever and the height of the chair is going to go up. So you basically can adjust the height of the table depending upon the workstation height. Now in this, one more feature which is very important is your arms. So when I talk about arms, I'm going to show you the feature of the armrest of this particular chair. There is a button, we just need to press the button. The first feature of the armrest is you can go up and down. The second feature of the armrest is, with the help of this button, all you need to do is, you just need to press the button. With the help of this button, you can go forward and backward. Also, you can take it left and right. So now you can adjust the armrest up, down, backward, forward, left and right. So that's one of the good features this chair has. All you need to make sure is that when you're working on a workstation, your hands should be at the same level so that you feel comfortable. That's the armrest. The third feature, now there is a button. This is the button. All you need to do is, you just need to push up and down. I'll show you the feature how it is done. This is basically to lock the chair. Now I'm going to lock this chair. So this is the normal position. If I need to lock this particular chair, all I need to do is, I just need to press it downwards. This is lock. That's lock number one. Again, if you need to unlock the chair, press the lever upwards. The second position is the middle. So you can just do the same exercise again. That's the second position to lock the chair. Again you press upwards and this is free. Third position is the last one. Lock it and this chair is locked. So there are three positions to lock this chair. Now I'm going to show you the headrest. So in this chair, headrest is, that's an optional thing. You want to take a headrest, you can take it. If you don't want the headrest, that's an optional thing. Now, one more feature which is very important is the seat adjustable. Now, there is a lever. This is the lever. What you need to do is, you can also slide your seat forward and backward. Now, you just press it upwards and slightly you can just push the seat. This can go, the forward and backward. Again, you need to take it back, just press the lever and you can take the seat back. This is basically for your thighs. Now, I'll talk about the lumbar support. In lumbar support, this is for your back. So all you need to do is, you need to press this. When you press this, the air is going to inside this back support and the tension is going to be high, and this will help you if you sit like 7-8 hours in a day. This is going to give you a comfort. If you want to unrelease the air, you just need to press this button and it will go back to the same situation. You can also adjust the arms, the back support, the lumbar support, wherever you want. So this particular chair comes with the nylon base and the casters are 60 mm. So this is one of the chairs. This is a high-end chair, good for a senior management people, where you have to sit for like 7 or 8 hours in a day, 5 days in a week. One of the best chairs, Kokoyo. So, thank you. Stay fit. Keep smiling. Thanks.